Mara.
And I'm Julia.
And today we're going to be making recycled bottle planters using a lot of materials you probably have at home. So the supplies you need for this activity are paint, paintbrushes, a Sharpie, scissors, a ruler, adhesive remover, and a 2-liter soda bottle. So let's get started. The first step for this is use the adhesive remover to clean the soda bottle completely, take all the labels and all the sticky stuff off. If you leave on a little bit, it's okay because you'll be painting over it and cutting out a lot of it. Alright, the next step is to draw the exterior shape of our animal. So we're going to use the ruler and the Sharpie now to draw the exterior shape of our animal along the bottle. So I'm going to make a bunny today and Julia is going to make a frog, so we'll show you how to draw the exterior shape onto the bottle. Alright, our next instruction is to use the knife or the scissors to cut holes in the bottom of the planter, allow for excess water to drip out when you're watering your plants. Okay, now we're going to cut out the perimeter of our animal shapes so that it looks like we have a bunny and a frog. Okay, so the next step is just to paint your entire planter the one main color that you're going to do it, and then after that you'll have to let it dry so that you can go in with the rest of the colors. So for my bunny, I'm going to paint it white as the main color, and then Julia will be painting hers green as the main color. Okay, so then you just let your planter dry and then you go in with the next color. And then after you paint on all your final layers of paint, you have your final product. So this is the bunny that I made.
And then here's my frog.
So after you're done, you can also obviously use these as planters. So one of the easiest things to plant from things that you're already buying from the grocery store are pepper seeds.
So what I have here is a bag full of soil, which you'll pour right into your planter. And then here's the inside of a pepper that I had at home. You can take out a couple of seeds and plant them straight into your planter.
And that's pretty much it. So this can be done with everything you have at home. Make sure you visit www.jawesternpa.org for the full list of instructions and supplies that you can use to make the recycled bottle planter. Thanks for watching. Bye.